Hi, I'm Joe Luther, Hideout Brand Manager at Keystone RV. Today, I'm going to show you some of the great interior features of our Hideout fifth wheels, why we are the #1 brand under $35,000, and why we've won many awards, whether it's Consumer Digest Best Buy Award or the numerous quality DSI awards we've won in our industry. So let's take a look at some of the great features on the interior here in the Hideout. First and foremost, we have a central vacuum, which is an exclusive feature in the industry versus our competition. No one else has that in their units, so that's a great feature. Another item we have, as you can see, beautiful countertops, a lot of countertop space here, solid pressed countertops versus laminate that some people use in their product. Also, we have the farm sink, one bowl farm sink with sprayer, little upgraded there. You also have a skylight with shade, which is a beautiful feature to let natural sunlight in, lighten up the unit a little bit. That is something that we've added this year in our Hideout interior fifth wheels. Let me move over here and show you another great feature, what we call is the Do More dinette. It has 3 functions in one. First of all, you can eat it as a normal dinette, sitting down at the table. It can fold down, you can make it into a bed if you need to, or it has the great ability, if you want to take it out underneath your awning to the exterior, and actually put it out there and enjoy the outside and fold it and bring it out there, it has that function. So 3 functions in one versus normal dinette tables. Some of the other great things that we've done with the Hideout interiors. Brand name stereo, Jensen stereos, versus some of the other stuff that's being used in our industry. Solid press steps as you walk up into our bathroom area. I want to show you 2 features that are up here. First and foremost, we have porcelain toilets. So you have no stink, no stain on your toilets in your camping experience. Then we'll move on into the shower area. Glass shower door with sit down. Nice big shower that you actually have room to move around in. Continuing on into the bedroom area of the Hideout. One thing that we've done a great job with our Hideouts, if you notice, we have 2.5 extra feet in our bath deck area. Normally on non-slide units, it's hard to walk around the beds. With the Hideout, that has not been an issue. If you notice all the roominess here, plus a place to mount your TV, nice big wardrobes, and you still have more wardrobe space on the other side of the bed along with the big wardrobe area. Clearly, this makes Hideout a great choice. If you are looking for a unit that is under $35,000, get out to your local dealer and find out why there is a lot of excitement about a Hideout.